The big rolling cloud of a flock of red-billed Quelea is always a mesmerizing sight in Africa. It's known as the most numerous wild bird on Earth. Thousands of individuals move together as they cooperate to find food and water. They drink at least twice a day and decorate the river with a dance of synchronised perfection. After drinking, they fly off again in search of food. They might be small, but they easily cover 60 kilometres each day.